is Maryam. Here I will explain a little about the process of making 3D animation. Firstly, in making 3D animation, I will determine what kind of animation will be made. Also, determine the theme, make the script, environment, and then character design. And I'm gonna tell you what is the storyboard. And based on the internet, a storyboard is a visual representation of a story narrative, typically in the form of a series of panels or the squares with the stretch of with the sketch or illustration. So it will be explain you what scene is gonna be, but in a visual as a sketch, like that. Then start to the enter of the 3D modeling, because in this case I'm gonna tell you the 3D. So so first I will make the model of the 3D, where I'm gonna but firstly I'm gonna make the design from the front and the side from the character design, because it's gonna help you to make the 3D model. Without that, maybe your model is gonna be not that perfect. So you need reference, of course. All the animation step, even the editing is need a reference, because without that you're not gonna have any, you don't have gonna imagination what you're gonna be, what it will be. Yeah, like that. After you got the reference, you can add it in the reference plan in the software you use. Once the reference is ready, you can create the model chart. But you can make your own model by your own way. Maybe from the start from the face, or from the eyes, or from the body. Is up to you. After the 3D model has been created, you can start to give rig. What is rig? Rig is a bone where you can give the rig to the character, so that it can be moved and make the animation. And the rig is have to be so detailed, cause it's the hardest part of the making 3D animation. That's not everybody can rig perfectly, but you can learn. And for the rig, you can you can and for the rig, you can add the rig maybe from the hand, foot, or maybe face, or even hair, because all your things you want to be moved is need rig. And then once the model have been rigged, and you can give the controller. What is the use of the controller? What's the function? It's for it's a rig. Maybe this is the rig, and the controller is here. In the 3D software, you can see the controller while you click it, and then you move it like that. Yeah, then maybe you can imagine it paint yourself. And then after the rig and the control is done, you can start the animating. Animate, animate in 3D is not that hard. You can learn it, where you give the keyframe from the each movement. And then also for the movement, for the animation is needed. And again, and then for the movement for an 3D animation, you need reference. You can search for reference maybe internet, or maybe making by yourself, by filming yourself doing something that you want to be animated. When all the animated screen have been created, we can start to the editing stage. Maybe the editing stage is a little bit different, because it's editing, not animating, where you can give a visual effect, sound effect, and the color adjustment, hue adjustment, or maybe saturation and exposure, everything that you really want to make this animate is perfect. You can, yeah, it's made in the editing section. And of course, this section is you have the magical, you have to have big imagination, so that your editing will be great. When everything is finished, the project can be exported to the 3D animation and is ready to be enjoyed. So that's it. I'm sorry if my word is not really can be understand. Yeah, I hope this can explain you a little bit about the 3D animation. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.